grab ko na lang din po yung opportunity, lalo na sa mga besties natin dito sa Cavite. Ang pinagkakaabalahan po namin food delivery business, Dad's Best Food Express. We offer party trays and food bundles para sa mga special na okasyon, gatherings, or bandings. Free delivery po ito all throughout General Trias City, Cavite, which we are located. And may mga minimal delivery charges or fees din po for nearby cities or municipalities. Meron din po kaming mga daily products, lutong ulam for the day, and ang Dad's Best Fried. Fried chicks, kawalit, bulaklak, at iba pa. For more info or inquiries, message nyo lang po yung page ng Dad's Best Food Express. For orders or online reservations, just place your orders because we love to cook the food you love. Dad's Best Food Express. And for more kapaki-pakinabang na video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, John De Lucero, and our Facebook account. Please follow, like, and share. And mga kapaki, sana'y okay kayo dyan. Maging okay kayo dyan. Ako po ulit si John. Daghang salamat.